Hello everyone, I am Amardeep Tomar, footwork. So today I am showing you the two drills of the defender's footwork. So let's start. So guys, this is the first drill of the defender's footwork. So first of all, I will tell you, right now I don't have available my hockey equipment because you all know the COVID-19 is going on. So this is my first drill. And we have three cones are there, one in left, one in center and one in right side. So in right side, first I am taking tackle in left side, then going for the jab in center, then again taking tackle in right side. So I am showing you this skill in a continuous method. Okay, so let's start. Method. So first I am telling you what kind of grip we are holding during this drill. So this is my stick. First I am holding this grip at the top of the grip with my left hand and my right hand just closer to the right hand, and we are making double V shape grip. So this kind of grip we are using this drill. So we have three cones are there, one in left side, one in center and one in right side. So first this is my initial position, and the first I am going towards to the left side tackle. So first I am taking the left leg forward, and that time my full body weight come on my left leg, and very fastly I am taking my right leg forward and comes in full lunging position. At that time my chest touch on my knee and my stick touch to the ground, and also touch my finger on the ground and stick facing towards to the target. Then I am coming back in initial position. Then in for jab, first I am taking my left leg forward, same as in this tackle. Then very fastly my left leg come forward, but this time I am coming only half lunging position. And when I am doing jab, that time my stick comes on me on my single hand in my left hand, and my stick facing toward to the sky. Then again come back to the same position, and then this is my initial position. Then now I am going towards to the right side tackle. Then first I am taking my left leg forward, then very fastly come my right leg forward, same my knee touch to my chest, then my fingers touch to the ground and my stick also touch to the ground, and stick facing towards to the target. Then again come back to the initial position. Background angle of this drill. So I am showing you this drill from the back side. So let's see. So guys, now I am telling you the importance of this drill. This drill play very important role during the match, and this drill perform only defenders for delaying the opponents, and the left side tackle most of the time use the left defenders, and right side tackle most of the time use right fullback. And for jab is very useful for delaying the opponents and for giving the pressures for uncontrol the ball. So guys, this is my second drill of the defender's footwork. So you can see this is the sideline of the hockey field, and I'm doing this skill. I am delaying the opponents when the defenders is single and the attackers are 2 or 4. That time what kind of footwork the defenders are doing for delaying the opponents. So you can see the footwork. Let's see. So guys, this is the backside angle of this drill, and I am showing this skill, and my camera is behind me. So you can see how to take the steps from the backside. So let's see. So guys, my second drill is over. So now I am telling you the importance of this drill. This drill is mostly used the sideline of the hockey ground, and the defenders use this drill to delay the attackers. They are trying to use the sideline for the attackers, because if the attackers come inside the ground, so that is very dangerous for the defenders. So that's why we are using this drill at that time for delaying the attackers. So guys, my boat drills are over. Hope you all learned so many things of this video. So thank you guys.